Welcome to our English lesson on planting vocabulary. In this video, we will be learning some useful English words and phrases related to planting and gardening. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, this lesson will help you improve your understanding of the language used in gardening. Soil, the material that plants grow in. Example, it's important to have good soil quality for healthy plant growth. Seed, a small object that can grow into a plant. Example, let's start by planting some seeds in the soil. Watering can, a container used to water plants. Example, use the watering can to give your plants enough water. Trowel, a small hand tool used for digging holes and moving soil. Example, use the trowel to dig a hole for your seedling. Fertilizer, a substance added to soil to help plants grow better. Example, you can use organic fertilizer like compost or manure instead of chemical fertilizers. Mulch, material placed on top of the soil around plants to help conserve moisture and regulate temperature. Example, spread mulch around your plants after watering them. Pruning shears, a cutting tool used for trimming stems and branches of plants. Example, use pruning shears to trim dead or damaged parts of your plant. Transplanting, moving a plant from one location to another, often from potting mix into garden soil. Example, your seedling is ready for transplanting into larger pots or directly into the garden bed. Compost bin, a container where organic waste is collected and broken down into compost for use as fertilizer. Example, start a compost bin with food scraps and yard waste instead of throwing it away in trash bins. Garden bed, an area where plants are grown in the ground outdoors or indoors using raised beds or containers. Example, prepare the garden bed by loosening up the soil before planting seeds. That concludes our English lesson on planting vocabulary. Remember these words and phrases when starting your next gardening project, and you'll be able to better understand instructions while improving your overall communication skills in English. Happy gardening!